giant turd here. Watch out.
Dog!
Careful for the roof. Take your time, dude. You might fall right through. Watch each step. Yes. Where you want to dump it off, the front or the side?
Probably the side.
Yeah, just come back to the pole. I'll catch it.
Just in case.
Uh-huh. No?
Ready?
Whoa.
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm not doing that again.
Mm-hmm.
This is why we need to go to gym and run 5K.
Hey, I'm not even joking, bro. I'm definitely getting in the gym now, bro. Dude, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. No problem.
Time to go home?
Dog. If